friends, happy Friday. You know, I debated about whether or not to do a video today, and I thought, what the heck, let's do it. Let's complete this look so we can move on to something new next week. So hopefully this will be a quick video. I always say that and it ends up 20 minutes. So I'll try to make it quick since it's Friday and I know you all are busy. But if you didn't catch this video yesterday, I styled the top of this cabinet you see here. But now, today, we are going to transform the bottom and decorate with all my lovely artifacts. I like to call them artifacts. So today, I'm gonna show you something that has completely transformed this cabinet. And I think you guys will all love it. I think we all probably have shelves or cabinets or hutches in our homes that need light. You know what I mean? Let there be light. It needs light to light up our beautiful artifacts, right? This is a great way to do it. Now, before Christmas, I showed you my hutch where we took LED light strips and lit it all up. And it's on a dimmer switch so you can make it soft and dim, moody, or super bright. Same thing for here, but let me tell you, everyone that has come over thought this was a completely new piece of furniture. I'm like, no, girl, it's been here. It's been here. Because those lights just transform it. I'm telling you, wait till you see. But I think you all will appreciate this because number one, it's inexpensive. It will completely transform any furniture piece you use it in, and it gives everything a beautiful look. I always emphasize, let there be light, because lighting is the key to good displays. So accent lighting, mood lighting, dim lighting, bright lighting, it all works to showcase your pretties. So let's take a look at this piece here. Boring, so boring. I took all the pieces out, but if there were pieces in there, you really can't see them. It doesn't showcase the pieces. It does nothing for it. In fact, I said to myself, why did I even bother buying this cabinet if there's no lighting? We changed that. Watch. Do you guys see that? We have light. So up top, we have our pretty decorating, and then down below, we are going to decorate the inside of this, and you'll see what I mean, how this lighting transforms everything. So let me show you, here are the lights on, and now I'm gonna turn them off. Boring. Now I do have a light ring on, so it's lighting up the inside of it, but let me show you without the light ring on. See, you can barely see inside the cabinet. Lights off, lights on. And I love it so much. Now, when you open it, you can see the lighting down here, but I mean, I'm not gonna open it, right? So it doesn't matter. All right, let's do a quick styling of the inside of these cabinets. What shall I do? my video for today. I hope you can see the difference. For us, it's huge. In a dark space where there are no windows and you want to light up your pretties, this is a great way to do it. Inexpensive, easy install, and the results speak for themselves. I hope you guys have a fabulous weekend, and I will see you back here next week. I might try to squeeze 3 videos in. Don't hold me to it, but I'm gonna try. So you may see me back here Monday. Otherwise, I will see you back here Wednesday for sure. Once again, have a great weekend, you guys. Thanks for joining me this week, and I will see you then. Bye, guys.